Here I'm going to show how to find mean, median, standard deviation, quartiles, maximum and minimum using TI-Calculator. So this is the data. In a survey, people were asked to answer how many times they have traveled out of country. And so to enter this data, let me pull up my calculator and let me move my calculator so that we can see all the data. Okay, now let's enter the data in our calculator. In order to enter the data, first hit stat, then make sure your edit is highlighted, then hit enter. Okay. So on here, you can enter data value on your list 1 or list 2 or list 3. So for now, I am just going to enter my data values on my list 1. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and 2 zeros. So once we are done entering the data, so go to stat, then make sure your calc is highlighted. To highlight that or to select the calc, we can use this arrow key. Okay. Now make sure your one variable stats is selected, then hit enter. Okay. So on here, since we entered all our data values in our list 1, so this should be list 1. So that's what we have here, which are good. If we had entered our data values in list 2, so this list should be list 2. Or if we have entered the data value in list 3, then this list should be list 3. So now come down here and select enter. Now on here you'll see all these symbols and these values or these numbers. So let me explain what they are. So basically this is mean. Okay, mean for this data is 3.11. Okay, so come down here, this one is a standard deviation. So if you consider this data to be a sample, so this is the sample standard deviation, which is 2.89. Okay, and come down here, so this is population standard deviation, and if you consider this data to be a population, this would be the standard deviation, this would be the population standard deviation, which is 2.80. So now let me go down the list. We can use this arrow to go down the list. Okay, and so this is the minimum, which is 0. This is the first quartile or Q1, that's 1. So median is 2, that would be the second quartile or Q2 or median, which is 2. And third quartile or Q3 is 5.5 and the maximum is 9.